Yo, are you good to go? Okay. Are you good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody that I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody it's gonna become harder than chillin' and cut up and bigger than free, really than harder than harder than harder than taking up everything and burning my turn them up and give it rappers a thought to get it sort of staking like NSC. You the city enemy. Hold on. Stop. What's up? Over.
Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie.
I think I got it. It's gonna become harder than chillin' and cut up and bigger than free, really than harder than taking up everything and burning my turn them up and give it rappers a thought to get it sort of staking like NSC. You the city enemy. It could have been Lucifer, fully. You could have been gotta be really. You could have been media, feeding your unbiblical letter ties. Since around the corner, follow but never knocks. Coming around, pulling them out, rumbling summons to the ground, bringing them in. Everybody walking and talking and claiming they're rolling harder than they be living longer, but really they've been a part of that separated off from the Father. They loving it, sin and taking my flesh and the jury down my heart. Think high, to the drive, to the flop, to the ground, but it's time, to the ride, give it up, live it out. But if you wanna battle, look cover, cut it and settle up, but you don't wanna tackle the wrath. I got that shadow you and they don't wanna communicate with the promise. But the problem is the issue what I ask the criminologist. They don't wanna stick to the right, meteorologist, a pillar intelligence, they rather have a psychiatrist. They don't wanna follow theology or theodicy. The issue is the heart of the sin above the lobotomy. The symbology, listen, isn't it? That's a bother me. I follow when I call it the follow when I try to see. Picking them up that logical, theological. I'm only giving them truth that they correlate with the Bible. Not some philosophical, psychological article, but eschatological, biblical truth in the audio. Picking them up that logical, theological. I'm only giving them truth that they correlate with the Bible. Not some philosophical, psychological article, but eschatological, biblical truth in the audio. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? I'm good to go. Tell everybody I'm good to go. You good to go? Good to go? Tell it. Where the music go? I'm still good to go.